This video will demonstrate the steps required in making a sectional view. An isometric view of a part is shown here. A vertical cutting plane cuts the object across the axis of symmetry. Our task is to draw the full section front view and the top view. Here are the main steps for making the section views. The first step in projecting the section view is making sure that we interpret the object correctly. Let's start by drawing the front view and the top view of the object. The internal details of the part are shown by hidden lines in the front view. In the next step, we show the location of the cutting plane by drawing a cutting plane line in the top view. The arrows at the corners indicate that the section will appear in the front view. In the next step, the section area visualization is done, in which an imaginary cutting plane divides the part into two halves. The portion of the component between the viewer and the plane is imagined to be removed, and the remaining part is then viewed normal to the cutting plane. A 3D simulation is demonstrated here just to aid the audience visualization. It can be seen that two L-shaped surfaces of the part are making contact with the cutting plane. With a little practice and time, you will be able to mentally visualize the section process accurately. The next step involves the identification of the section surfaces in the front view. It can be seen that section surfaces are surrounded by both hidden lines and object lines. In the next step, the visible edges of the removed part will be erased from the front view. Next, the hidden line boundary of the sectioned areas will be changed to visible lines, as these edges are now exposed to the observer. Now that we have got the section areas drawn, a hatch pattern is applied to represent the sectioning. In addition to the cut surfaces, a section view shows all visible parts behind the cutting plane. Notice that since all cut surfaces belong to the same object and therefore, all the hatching lines are drawn in the same direction. The final step is to add the essential dimensions to the drawing. One of the advantages of using sectional views is that they allow us to dimension the interior of a part without dimensioning to the hidden lines,